Good morning. Today we are going to talk about our project. Our team was composed by Mariana Alcántara, Georgina Muciño, Mia Reyes, and me, Camila Fuentes. We discovered that working in team with this project was essential because with the quarantine we couldn't meet in person, so we needed to understand every problem that the other person had, and also we needed to have a good communication. Also, our graph wasn't as normal as the others, so we needed to check all the process and also all the information that we recovered. But at the end, we achieved to have a good project and also a good teamwork.
Thanks to the fact that we all worked as a team, we agreed that we would get the information needed from the website. Each one entered on a specific year and created an Excel drive in which we put all our information and gathered it in order. Mariana took out the average so that we can make the graphs. For the questions, Mia, Camila, and I answered them so that Mariana could put them together and fill a box at the end of the document. Finally, the information was gathered and organized into a single document and handed over to the teacher.
Well, for me, this key activity was pretty interesting. First of all, because of the way we're working, of the modality, because we are not used to this form of work. But I'm grateful because I found a team in which we can work properly and on a respectful way, where everyone participate and everyone do their stuff, and we also, well, I like it because we also take care about the proposals all of us made, so we take each other seriously. And also I like it because we can learn and understand in a real way how to use sine and cosines, and that's it.
For this project, our organization as a team was a really important factor for the achievement of the project. As we are living in quarantine for these days, it is really difficult to see each other and remind us what we need to do. So we needed to divide tasks, and we have to make responsible each one of us of a certain task. That was one of the things we as a team assumed, and that was what helped us to keep organized the team and to finish everything on time and with the necessary requirements.
With this project, we also discovered that it's really important to know how the temperature changes through the years, because with that we can see how the climate change and how does this rain or temperature could affect our daily life.
Another important thing that we learned in this project is that there are sometimes some movements that are present, in this case in the state of Guerrero, that represent some changes that are atypical in the temperature. We will need further investigation or further analysis to understand them to 100%, but we can infer that something in the world is happening that is altering the temperatures in those states. So that's another really interesting thing we were able to see with this project, and by graphing and by making an equation that could determine these changes in the temperature.
Although we may say the opposite thing, math is very useful in so many ways. Since we wake up till we go to sleep, we are using math, and we do not realize that. We probably think that math is not useful and etc. But in this type of activities is when we realize and when we practice it in our daily life routines. For example, weather. Now I know how to analyze the weathers by month and month, thanks to how we've been working in class and everything. So yeah, thanks to all of that, I know how to do many awesome things. Yeah, math is useful in so many ways.